Hello children, Sai Ram. Welcome to your active English class. Okay, so today we are going to learn something new. Okay, so next chapter which we are going to learn. Now before we go ahead, just tell me, suppose, okay, it's your birthday. Okay, wow, birthday. And you went with your parents for shopping. Okay, birthday dress, a new birthday dress. Okay, now as it happened, when you entered the shop, the shopkeeper, you told the shopkeeper, I just want to purchase birthday dress. Okay, so your mother said, show some dresses. So he showed you. Okay, and he showed 3 or 4 lovely dresses. Okay, all the 4 were best. They all were looking very pretty. Okay, and you felt that, oh, I wish I could purchase all these 4 dresses for your birthday. Okay, but not possible. Mama said only one dress you have to select. So tell me, which dress you will select? Not all 4, only one you have to select. So which one you will select? The best one, right? The best one you will select, right? So how you will select? How you will select the best one? 4 are there, all are good. So what you will do? Yes, you will compare, right? You will compare each dress with all the dresses. You will compare, right? You will take one dress, then you will compare it with another, and then you will see the third dress, then the fourth one, and so on. You will compare all the 4 with each other, isn't it? Yeah, and then you will see which one suits you the most, and you will select that as your birthday dress, isn't it? Okay, so you know what you did here? You did comparison. You compared all the 4 dresses and you selected the best one. So same thing we are going to do in our lesson number 6, our chapter 6, comparison. Okay, how we are going to compare. Okay, are you ready for that? Okay, now I hope you are ready with book and pencil with you. Okay, fine. And no problem if you do not have your book. It's fine. You just write down all the important things, whatever I'm going to say. Okay, and when you get the book, that time you can copy it down. Followed? So shall we go ahead? Ready? Okay, here we go. Now tell me which picture you can see. Elephant, right? And what is he doing? He is running, isn't it? He is running. Elephant is running. Now, how is the elephant here running? Of course, fast. Okay, because he is alone, he is just running there. And from the movement, from the picture, we can say that, yeah, the elephant here is running fast, isn't it? Okay, now what you did here, we saw only one picture, isn't it? Okay, so here he is running fast. How is he running? Fast, isn't it? Now what is fast here in this sentence? He is running fast. It is an adjective, right? This word fast is an adjective. So we have used here adjective. By the way, what is the meaning of adjective? Have you learned this? Very soon you will learn it in your grammar period. Okay, they are the describing words. What are adjectives? They are describing words. They describe something. They describe the noun. Okay, you know now what is noun, right? Okay, so they are the describing words. Okay, now let's move ahead. Now which picture you can see here? Horse. Again, what is the horse doing here? Running, right? Now if you compare an elephant with the horse, who will run fast? The horse, of course, right? The horse runs faster, isn't it? The horse runs faster than an elephant, isn't it? So what you did here, what we have done here actually, we have compared 2 animals with each other. Okay, which are the 2 animals? An elephant and the horse here, right? And when we compared, okay, we compared their running. the speed of their running, right? So elephant was running fast, but the horse runs faster than an elephant. Horse run faster than an elephant, right? So we have compared two animals here. And while doing so, what we did? We added here ER, right? Fast, faster, okay, to the main word. Okay, so what we did actually here, now again you can see one more picture, what it is? Cheetah. He is also running, isn't it? Now if you compare the three animals, an elephant, the horse and this cheetah. Now you have to compare their running speed. Who is that now? Cheetah, right? Cheetah runs fastest, isn't it? If you compare cheetah with the running speed of elephant and the horse, cheetah is the fastest runner here, isn't it? Yes. So what we did here? We had three animals: elephant, horse and cheetah. Now what we can see here? Okay, you can see here down, the elephant, he runs fast, isn't it? But the horse, if you compare elephant and the horse run faster than an elephant. But if we compare the three animals, then of course, who runs fastest? Cheetah, right? Cheetah runs fastest, right? Among these three animals. So here what we did? We compared the three animals, and while doing so, what we did? We have added some letters to the main word, the main adjective. Okay, so here you can see fast is the main adjective. Okay, what we did? We have added here ER to that main word, and then later on we added on EST to the third word, isn't it? So fast, faster, fastest. We got new words. Okay, the main word was fast, then came the faster, and then the fastest. Okay, so these three words we got. Now what are they? Now fast, this word is an adjective. Okay, we were describing their running. Okay, how it was? Fast. How the elephant was running? Fast. Horse was running faster than elephant, and cheetah was the fastest, right? Yeah. So here the word fast, it is an adjective. Okay, it is adjective. And then we got the another word, that is faster. So we had these two parts, right? Fast, right? What we had? Fast and ER was added. So fast is the adjective and then ER was added and we got the word faster. Isn't it? Next, we got the word fastest. How we got it? Okay, fast is the adjective. We added EST. Isn't it? So adjective and we added here EST. And then we got the word fastest. Right? Isn't it? You followed till here? So fast, faster, fastest. So this way we got the two different words from the main word fast. Isn't it? So now what to do? What are they? We compared, right? We compared three animals. So what we can say, the words that help us to compare things with each other are called as degree of comparison. What they are called as? Degree of comparison. For example, fast, faster, fastest. Okay, so the words that help us to compare things with each other are called as degree of comparison. Followed till here? Now, the adjective, okay, the main word which we took, okay, for example, fast, okay, the main word, the adjective used is called as positive degree. What it is called as? positive degree. The main word, the adjective used is called positive degree. Okay. Then the second word, that is a faster. Okay. The second word is called comparative degree. What it is called as? Comparative degree. We add ER, isn't it? What we added there? We added ER to the positive degree. Okay, that is fast. Fast plus ER, we got the word faster. Okay, here we compare two things. Okay, when we have to put the comparative degree, we compare two things with each other. Okay, we compare. So it is comparative degree. Then comes the third one. The third one is the superlative degree. Okay, the third one, the last one, it is called as superlative degree. And we add EST. What we add? EST to the positive degree. Okay, we add EST to the positive degree to get our superlative degree. So example, fast plus EST, we got our word fastest. Followed? So how many degrees are there? 3. Isn't it? What is the first degree called as? Positive degree. Then the second one, comparative degree, where we compare with two things. And the third is superlative degree. And in superlative degree, what we do? We compare more than two things. Okay? More than two things. So that time we add EST. Followed? So how many degrees? 3 degrees. What are they? Positive degree, superlative degree, and first one is the positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and then the third one comes superlative degree. Got it till here? Okay, so here you can see in our screen here, positive, comparative and superlative. So what is it now? Fast. Fast is the positive degree. Faster is the comparative degree. And fastest is the superlative degree. Okay. So we have our 3 degrees now. Now, here you can see, we'll solve some example in our book. Okay. Now, if you'll see your chapter 6, are you ready with your book and pencil? Okay, so let's solve that. Okay, here you can see in your book. Are you ready with it? Shall we start? Okay. So, it is 3 again degrees are given. Okay, you can see old, older, the oldest. Okay, old, older, the oldest. So, old is the positive degree. Older, we have added ER here. So, it becomes the comparative. And then EST, it has become the superlative degree. Followed? Then the second one, cold. Okay, now in your book it is dash there and then it is written the coldest. Okay, cold dash the coldest. Now this means we have our positive degree, cold, and we also have our superlative degree, that is the coldest. So which degree is missing now? Comparative degree, isn't it? Okay, so what will come? Which letters we have to add? ER. So here we got colder, right? Cold, and we got colder. We have added here ER. Then comes the next one. Okay, in your book you can see tall, taller, and the dash. Now we have to find out the superlative degree. So what will come here? Tall, taller, and in superlative degree what we add? EST, right? So tallest. So what you will get? You will get tallest. Followed here? So tall, taller, tallest. Next, again here you can see white dash the dash. Now what will come here? We have to find out the comparative degree also and the superlative degree also. So wide, we have added here er, wider, and then the widest. Wide, wider, the widest. Then comes brave. Brave, braver, the bravest. Brave, braver, the bravest. Then comes slow. Slow, slower, slowest. Slow, slower, slowest. Followed? Now, comparative and superlative degrees are formed by changing the last letter Y into I and adding ER and EST to positive degree. Means what now? Now there are many words, right, which end with the letter Y. Now when these types of letters are there, words are there, what we do? We change the last letter, okay, that is Y. We change the Y, okay, we change the Y into I, okay, Y into I, and we add ER and EST to the positive degree. Followed? What here it is? What we do? The last letter Y, we cut it. Instead of Y, we add there I, and then we add more letters. That is the words, letters which we have to add for our comparative and superlative degree. That is ER and EST. Okay, what are they? Here you can see the example. Here you can see the word pretty. Okay, it starts with Y, isn't it? So what we'll do here? We have to make the comparative degree. So we will cut this Y and we are going to add there I and ER. So we got our answer prettier. Okay, what we did? We cancelled Y. We added here I and then we added ER and we got the word prettier. And now how the superlative degree will be formed? Same way, we have cut down the Y. We have added I and EST. What we did? We cut down Y. We added I and EST. And we got our word prettiest. Okay, so in this way, we have our comparative and superlative degree formed. Pretty, prettier, the prettiest. Pretty, prettier, the prettiest. Okay, now let's solve these examples in your book. Can you see them? Okay, so the first one is pretty, prettier, the prettiest. Okay, then we have heavy and we have the Y cut out and we added here I plus ER. So we got it heavier and the heaviest. Okay, so heavy, heavier, heaviest. Then comes dirty. Again we cut down Y. We added I plus ER to form the comparative degree. So we got dirtier and then we added IEST to form our superlative degree. Right? So what we got? Dirty, dirtier, the dirtiest. I hope you are following what I am saying. Okay. Then comes next. Greedy. Same thing. Okay. All the Y letters are there. Can you see there? Yes. This is Y here. So the same thing we are going to do. Add I, ER and IEST. Okay. So here greedy, Greedier, the greediest. Greedier, greediest. Busy, busier, busiest. Busy, busier, busiest. Then comes the last one. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Next, again we have here hungry, right? We got this word hungry. Again we'll cancel y, added ier. So hungrier, the hungriest. Hungry, hungrier, the hungriest. Then comes sleepy, sleepy. Again y, right? We'll cut down y and we'll add ier. So sleepier, sleepiest. Sleepier, sleepiest. Follow till here? Shall we go ahead? Now, comparative and superlative degrees are also formed by adding more or most to the positive degree. Okay, so we do not add the way we did our previous words. What we did, we just added er, somewhere we just added ier. Okay, now there are some words where we do not add this, but we add these two letters, these two words, more and most. Now let's see what are they. Okay, so the words like careful, okay, we do not say any carefuler, carefulest, but what we do here, we added some words here. So it becomes more careful, most careful, more careful, most careful. Okay, so here you have in your book careful, more careful, the most careful. Okay, then you have the next word here, careless. More careless, the most careless. More careless, the most careless. Let's move. Another word is here, different. More different, the most different. More different, right? This word is added, and the most different. Okay, so what we did here, we added more and most. Again, dangerous. What will come? More dangerous and the most dangerous. More dangerous, most dangerous. Okay, now one more, exciting, more exciting, the most exciting, isn't it? So exciting is the word, right? What we did, we added here more and most here, isn't it? Okay, one more, comfortable, comfortable, more comfortable, the most comfortable. Again, more and most are added to form the comparative degree and superlative degree. Now, again there are few words, okay, they are called as irregular comparison. Okay, few adjectives are there. The three forms, that is the superlative, comparative and the positive, comparative and the superlative. Okay, these three degrees. Okay, now these three forms, they differ from each other. They are not same. Okay, when we form the positive, comparative and superlative degree. Okay, they will not be same. Some other words will be there. Like here you can see here the positive degree. Okay, what it is given here? Good, better, best. Okay, what it is given? Good. So the positive degree is good. What you did here? The positive degree is good. But for comparative, we are not saying gooder. Okay, it is wrong. what we'll say? It is better. And then for the superlative, we will not say goodest, but we are going to say best. Okay, so what it has become now? Good, better, best. It will not become good, gooder, goodest. Okay, it is a wrong thing. We do not say gooder and goodest, isn't it? What we say? Good, better, best. Okay, good, better, best. So we have one more word here which will help you out. Good, better, the best. Then for bad, we do not say bad, badder or baddest. Okay, it's a wrong English. What we say? Bad, worse, the worst. Bad, worse, worst. Okay, so these are called as irregular comparison, where we do not add er or est, but we form new words to make our superlative, to make our comparative and superlative degree. Okay, so what we have learned today? We have learned 3 types of degrees, right? We have learned degrees of comparison. Okay, what are they? The 3: positive degree, superlative degree, and the comparative degree, right? So first comes positive degree, then comes the comparative degree, and then comes the superlative degree. Follow till here? We'll stop here for the day. Next part of chapter 6 we'll do in our next class. Okay? So see you till then. Bye.